Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to predict enemy movement in Overwatch. Observe how individual players move and predict their tendencies. Understand common paths and choke points to anticipate enemy routes. Aim where you expect enemies to move rather than directly at them. Listen for footsteps and ability sounds to predict enemy positions. Anticipate enemy movements based on their team composition and roles. Predict flanking attempts based on map knowledge and enemy behavior. Predict aggressive movements when enemy have ultimates ready. Expect enemy movements changes after they use key abilities. Watch for visual cues like reloading animations or ability activations. Use abilities like Zarya's Graviton Surge when enemies are likely to gather. Coordinate with teammates to predict enemy rotation and strategies. Use shields and barriers to intercept incoming enemy attacks. Anticipate enemies moving towards environmental hazards for kills. Predict enemies trying to take or contest high ground positions. Predict enemy movements around objectives or payloads. Predict enemy movements by anticipating their need to retreat for healing. Predict where enemies will group up for effective ultimate combos. Shoot at potential enemy positions before they appear to catch them off guard. Learn from the enemy mistakes and adjust predictions accordingly. Predict enemy retreat paths when they are losing engagements. Use map elements like shadows or moving payloads to anticipate enemy movements. Predict enemy movement based on where your teams are positioned. Predict and intercept flankers attempting to attack your backline. And that's how to predict enemy movement in Overwatch. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.